Hello, it's Lily. Okay, I have different channels on YouTube, but this is my first YouTube video on this channel, and today I'm going to be talking about how to design your planner and stuff. So let's get started. Here are the things you will need. Of course, you will need a planner. It says, "Do what you love." It has flower design. And you'll need Sharpies. And then that's it. So first you're going to open it. And then go to here. The date and stuff. Okay, so here are the dates I have. The first, here, I'll show you. On the 7th, I have church. On the 14th, I have church. On the 13th, is my birthday. And then 21st and 28th is church. Okay, so if you have any other days, like if you have church on Wednesday or stuff like that, if it's someone else's birthday, you can go ahead and fill that in. So after that, I'm going to flip it to the next page. And then I'm going to go to the next month. And it says, and church and stuff, February. My little sister's birthday is on February. So yeah. And then this is Randy Joe's birthday, May the 28th. This is, I haven't done this part yet, but October, then December. And yeah, that is my planner. So yeah, there it is. So yeah. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment what's your favorite thing to do on YouTube, if you have a YouTube channel. If you don't, just comment your favorite color. And the one who has my favorite color, I will text back. So yeah, bye.